Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best engine air filter brands in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is EPAuto GPO75 replacement engine air filter. This is our first air filter product. Just like the first product we took a look at, it is a very good quality filter with some interesting features. It should be noted though that this is a product with wider applications than the last EPAuto product, and this filter can be used not only in a number of Toyota vehicles but also in some Lexus, Jeep and Dodge vehicles too. The big standout with this product is those lovely deep pleats. They are great to see in an air filter as they are going to provide lots of surface area to trap contaminants and provide a really top level of filter to the air passing into the engine. That in turn is going to have a positive impact on engine performance. This is another product rocking up with a price tag of about $10, so it's by no means going to melt your credit card. Instead, it's a carefully designed, well-built auto air filter. Number 2. Our second best pick is EPAuto GP171 Advanced Engine Air Filter. Second on the list is this little number from EPAuto. The first thing to note is that this is a Toyota-specific air filter, however, you may end up picking up a Toyota just so you can buy this bad boy. Okay, that may be a bit of an exaggeration. But at the same time, this model boasts a number of very good features. First off, just look at the thickness of this product. Whilst the most basic models of air filters are going to be of that concertina style of construction, that's not the case with this air filter. It is nice and thick because it brings a huge level of filtration material to the party. That is going to provide a very high level of filtration, backing up the manufacturer's claim that this product will seriously help to extend engine performance. You get all that for less than $10 too. Number 3. Our third best pick is Fram CA10755 ECOGARD air filter. This company is still making high-quality performance air filters. This one boasts the same high-quality construction as we saw on the previous model from Fram. The filter is built of advanced material that is, according to Fram, going to provide twice the filtration of the average retail brand air filter. It also, if you look closely, has both deep and extensive pleating that is going to throw a phenomenal amount of high-quality filtration material in the way of all the air coming into your engine. That's very good news for you and your car, provided of course this model of filter fits your engine. Frankly, you kind of want to hope it does. Various damaging particles and dust can collect over your engine, however, with Fram Car Air Filter, ECOGARD entraps these particles for a safer, cleaner, and quality engine performance. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is ECOGARD Premium Air Filter. This product from ECOGARD is a little different to the bulk of models that we've seen on this list so far. As the observant amongst you will no doubt have noticed, this is a cone-style engine air filter. It is made bespoke for a number of engines across a range of Ford and Lincoln vehicles. If your engine needs a model of air filter of this style, then there is a lot to recommend this air filter. For one, it is really packing in a lot of pleats here, which are going to provide lots of surface area for efficient filtration. In addition, and in common with air filters across the ECOGARD brand, this model is specifically engineered and tested for use in the models it is designed for. That means an accurate fit to save you time during the changeover process, and a product designed to slot seamlessly straight into its role within the engine. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Fram CA9997 ECOGARD Panel Air Filter. Our last product comes from Fram, who, lucky for us, are much better at making engine air filters than they are at coming up with names for their company. This is an air filter that boasts a few interesting points and claims, the standout of which has to be the high level of engine protection this product provides. It does in fact provide twice the engine protection, at least compared to a standard retail brand air filter. This is because these filters have been designed and built with an advanced filter media that has also been put through rigorous testing to ensure it is delivering the performance that they claim. All in all, this is a pretty interesting air filter then, clearly well designed to deliver top-level performance. At about $10 or so per filter, it is not exactly the most expensive on the list either, so you can easily try out those claims for yourself. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.